Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and click on the profile at the top right corner. And scroll a bit down and you can see browsing history option right here. Tap on it. Now you can see remove from view, remove from view. You can see a gear icon at the top right. Click on it. You can see remove items option. Click on it. And you can see you have no recently viewed item. And that's how we clear your browsing history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.